Good morning, guys. It is a brand new video. I just got back inside from walking my dogs. And it is actually a decent day today. I live in Illinois and the weather has been super cold and I'm not a fan of the cold. Anyways, today I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, get back into the grind, get back into the gym grind, and also eating good to feel good as well. I basically eat the same thing every single day. So I filmed the dinner portion last night because I took you guys to the gym with me, so I'll input my workout. Just started the gym again after like 2 months last week consistently. I'm taking it easy, but I'm happy to be back. As long as your gut and tummy are healthy, then overall you will be healthy and feel good as well, like with your moods, your energy levels. That's mainly why I am trying to get back on track with things. I have to just find a healthy balance, but also not be super strict with it, because that's when it becomes more of a diet, and we're not about diets here. We are about lifestyle. You guys, look at my super cute Stanley cup that my boyfriend was able to get for me. These things have been sold out for a whole month. I'm basically just tired of like carrying my pink Arctic. This is a ½ gallon. I love it, I really do, but sometimes I just want something like not as bulky, because I feel like every time I carry that thing, I feel like I'm moving out of state or something. This one's perfect. It has a handle, it has a straw, it's 40 ounces. As long as I drink like 4 of these a day, I'm good. But anyways, it's just super convenient and super cute and aesthetic. I love aesthetics, you know. So he was able to get me this one. He got himself one too. This is in the color Dune. The reason why I'm bringing or showing you guys this is because I do start my days with lemon water with apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I'll add chia seeds just for that extra boost of fiber. I don't know if they have fiber, but I do know that they make you go to the bathroom, if you know what I mean. It does help me a lot with my cravings, like sweet cravings, because I'm such a sweet person. Apple cider vinegar is also really good for weight loss, fat loss. It kind of aids in that. Obviously, if you are not working out or are not eating a balanced diet, it's not going to work. So you kind of have to help it out, but it really does. One of the main reasons why I have it though, it does help like my autoimmune disease. That's a way that I treat it at home without having to or take my meds. I'm thankful for medicine, but I'm more thankful for natural things. So I try to implement them in my diet. All right, y'all, so this is my quick breakfast. I'm just gonna be quick about it. 2 of those are for my fur babies. So I have a turkey bacon, 2 eggs, a piece of toast with butter, and then another one with peanut butter. I will tweak my breakfasts throughout the week. Like today, I'm feeling a little bit more hungry. And not only that, but I am having a leg day session today, so I'm gonna need some good strength. So I'm eating 2 pieces of toast, and I am feeling a little bit more hungry today. But sometimes I'll only have 1 piece of toast and, you know, another piece of bacon. You get the gist. So yep, this is my breaky. I know it's so simple, but it makes me so happy. I look forward to this every single morning. Really?
Yeah.
There's no way.
Honey, check this out.
Hi guys. So it is a little bit later in the day. It is 4:59 to be exact. I got off work at 4, or clocked out, if you will. I don't even know what to say, got off work, because I work from home. I'm on my way to the gym now, but I'm kind of dreading it. I look like Edward Cullen from the Twilight movies. I am kind of dreading it today because I'm gonna start doing HIIT cardio. So I have been doing cardio, I've just been doing stairs, but I'm gonna start intensifying my cardio for shorter periods of time, because I don't know if I mentioned, I don't think I have, but I am going to Mexico in April. So I need to get this body right, or at least attempt to, because I don't think I feel the most comfortable in a bikini right now. And I did gain weight during the holidays, which is fine. I'm going to attempt to do 20 minutes and build my endurance to 20 minutes. If I do 10 to 15, that's perfect because I am just starting today. But it just kind of like scares me. Like HIIT cardio is intimidating to me. I'd rather do like low, is it LISS? Low something, low intensity. Yeah, low intensity steady state cardio, which is just basically like doing cardio for a more prolonged time and just not as intense. HIIT is a lot more beneficial if you are trying to maintain your muscle as well as burn fat. That is the goal here. We're trying to tone up and tighten the body up a little bit, as well as build up endurance because I become out of breath so easily going up one flight of stairs. So that's a problem right there. So I am drinking my Celsius because I just kind of want to like sit on the couch and watch YouTube videos instead and cuddle with my warm dogs. But no, we got shit to get done here. I have also been trying to eat foods that make me want to eat healthier, like incorporating more fruits, things like that. But if I crave a little piece of chocolate, I'm gonna have that piece of chocolate still because in the past, I have been very, very strict on myself. It just wasn't sustainable and fell off. I'm doing things a smarter way to sustain it for a long time, as opposed to doing things a harder way and falling off and having to restart all over again. And I really enjoy this because my mental state is on point. I used to have a fear around food, and I don't think I've really opened up about this because it's kind of like just, I feel a little bit ashamed of it, but that is something that I have gone through before. I used to feel like food ruled my life. I was super restrictive to the point where I would be like, nope, I cannot have that piece of chocolate tonight, or I can't have a few pieces of chips tonight because I am on my goal and this is it. But then it would turn into me going downstairs at 1 in the morning because I was starving and binging and eating the whole bag of chips or the whole container of cookies. I've learned from my mistakes and I'm here to tell you that this is so much better because I can still eat whatever I want every day. I'm still reaching my goals every day. I've also been kind of tracking it a little bit. I normally don't weigh myself. I've just made a few changes, a few tweaks here and there with my food and also with my physical movement levels. It's helped drastically, but it's just like a good balance. Another thing is that these little changes that I have made, 1, I feel good about myself. 2, I don't have body dysmorphia the way that I used to. And obviously, like, I used to be a lot thinner when I was super restrictive on myself during that time period where I was like on a major diet. I was a lot thinner, but I was not happy because I had really bad body dysmorphia. You guys, I was literally 15 pounds lighter, maybe even more. I think I was like 20 pounds lighter than I am now. This isn't to shame anyone, but I just felt like a 300-pound girl. So I wasn't happy. I didn't feel like I enjoyed life fully. Like when I think back at during that time period of my life, I didn't even enjoy my big accomplishments physically. I just remember myself worrying about how overweight I am. I even have this embarrassing video that I showed my friend the other day, and I was literally, it's so insane. I wish I could put it in the video here for you guys, but I showed a little bit of titty. You guys, I was literally saying like, I'm just a little bloated here, and I was like touching my stomach. So body dysmorphia is real. I never thought that I went through that until after the fact. And I was looking back at videos and how I would talk about myself. Man, oh man, was that time just insane. Like, I just wish I could shake that girl. You know what I'm saying? I was worrying about all the wrong things. So I wanna be the person here to tell you that it's okay to enjoy life. The more you enjoy it, the more you will consistently do this throughout your life, and it'll become your lifestyle. Because at the end of the day, I want this to be a lifestyle for me. I want myself to enjoy the gym. I want myself to enjoy moving my body and eating good foods because it makes me feel good, not because I am trying to reach a physical goal and I'm just trying to reach a number on this scale. So that's why I don't weigh myself anymore as much. I've also broken all of those traumas or bad experiences with weight loss. So I am able to look at myself on the scale and not be so scared of the number anymore and just be like, okay, got, you know, a little chunk going on, but I love myself. I feel good. I feel sexy. I feel hot. Being hot is a mental state, okay? That's all I'm gonna say, because I feel like the hottest girl in the world, and I'm probably not, but I feel that way. So key here is to love yourself, love your body, enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. I'm gonna stop talking now and get my ass to the gym, because this is me procrastinating.
Look, babe, I know what's on your mind. Whatever you need, babe, I see it in your eyes all the time. We could be in Paris or in Spain, in the bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Even over the phone, I'ma make you.
I did it. Does anyone's nose get like super runny after, like, when your body warms up? I feel like my nose always gets so runny and I have mucus build up. I stopped recording because I don't know if you could tell in the camera. For most of my workout, I had the gym to myself, but then a lady and her 2 kids came in, so I didn't want them to be in the video. Privacy reasons, you know, but I just did 10 minutes, you guys. I can't do more than that right now. All right, guys, we have made it to the very end of this video. So I already took a shower, I didn't wash my hair, and took my dogs out for a walk in the freezing cold weather. So now I'm just going to have a nice decent bowl of Life cereal, because you know I love cereal, while I watch some YouTube. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one.